Horse and Hunt, and we are going to be shooting the Bluff course, which is a Sporting Clays course, also known as the Back. Today I'm going to be explaining to you guys the difference between Sporting Clays and Trap and Skeet. Sporting Clays is the closest thing to actual field shooting of all shotgun sports. Rather than having clay birds thrown from standardized distances and angles as with Skeet and Trap, Sporting Clay courses are designed to simulate the hunting of ducks, pheasants, other game birds, and rabbits. Sporting Clays has a mixture of different shots. There's a quartering target, going away target, rising target, falling target, and many more. So we are at Station 1 here. I'm going to be explaining to you guys the difference between the birds in Sporting Clays and then Trap and Skeet. Okay, so as we take a look here, I'm going to throw a bird. It comes up, and as you can see, it is not like anything that we have seen before in the videos. Okay, so in B bird, it comes up, and as you can see, it's a quartering away target, which is going to be more difficult to shoot. And then what we do on some station is called the true pair. So when we hit this bottom button, both of them will come out, and you will have to decide which one to shoot first. So this is called a menu. Right here, this is for bluffs. We got station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is about right for a 50 bird course. Okay, so for station 1, we have 4 true pair. So what you do at this station is you hit that true pair button 4 times, and then the pair will come out and you will have to shoot them. Oh. That was an example of a true pair. So a Sporting Clays course is more like a golf course where you have to walk around and it's not stationary like in Trap or Skeet. Station 2 now, which calls for 1 single and 2 report pair at each stand. So at Station 2 we have this stand and then that stand over there, which provides different angles for the birds. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a good example of a report pair. So a report pair is A bird, and then you shoot the A bird, and then once you shoot, the puller will pull B bird. Oh. So at Station 3, as you can see on the menu, it says 4 true pair. So that means we will be shooting 4 true pair. Oh. Oh. Here we are at Station 4. We are going to be shooting 4 report pairs. Alright, so there's another thing in Sporting Clays called showbirds, which allows you to see the birds if you have never shot there before. Okay, so right now I'm going to ask to say, pull A. So then I get to see A in its flight path, and then I'm going to say, pull B. You get to see B's flight path. And now you get to shoot. Oh. Oh. At Station 5 in the Bluffs course, we get to shoot over this really beautiful scenery, and we are going to be shooting true pairs. Oh. We're at the final station of the Bluffs course, and that calls for 4 report pairs, and we are going to be shooting over this really just beautiful scenery. Once again, it's just amazing. Oh. During your Sporting Clays round, you'll be keeping score at each station. So a dash mark or an X will be a hit, and a 0 will be a miss. And the easiest way to count up at the end for your total score is just to count the zeros and then subtract the zeros from the total, which would be 50. So I missed 7, so 50 minus 7 is 43. And then Gary missed 10, or had 10 zeros, and then 50 minus 10 would be 40. It's always a good way to keep a little competition going during practice.